So if you're curious as to how you're going to complete the Wandering Tale Echoes in the Shrine, then all you need to do is simply navigate to the General's Shrine, which is this location right here. You can open up the map. This is where I currently am. And then from here, you're going to navigate to this boy with his dog. So once you've navigated to the boy with his dog, go ahead and just talk with the boy. He will tell you that his Suju ball has fallen down this specific hole. Now, if you haven't yet completed this lost chapter quest, then you're going to need to use your mighty drop to open up this portal down here so that you can be able to come down. When you come down, you should be able to receive the Suju ball from down here, and then simply continue on with the lost chapter quest by exploring the whole underground palace. Once you've done that and you've successfully finished going through everything, and you've landed here after completing the lost chapter quest, then all you need to do is simply go back outside and find the boy again and give him his Suju ball. So as you can see, I've already completed that quest, but when you talk to him, you should be able to give him the Suju ball. After that, you can now go ahead and continue on with exploring. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you're curious as to how to complete the Lost Shrine, to complete the Echoes in the Shrine chapter quest, simply subscribe to our channel and I'll leave that video linked down below.